Hi everybody, I'm Gabriele Poso, coming from Puglia, Italy. I'm musician, DJ and producer. For me, music has always been a bridge to community. I'm traveling a lot around the world. I feel different community has always been the same approach in the music, not just as a entertainment, but as part of something special to bring them to our roots and speak about culture. Even me, when I'm performing live, I don't feel music just as a music, but as a part of something that I create with musician and the audience in a unique way, and that's actually the power of music. I try to approach the playlist as the most natural way, so I selecting track what I love. I don't really like put the music in a box, like put a label on top or say this is jazz, this is Italo disco, this is house, but take the music as it is, as a message. So I even imagine the music in this space. The people when go around, they don't have to approach the music just like in the background, but maybe stop and thinking about what's going on and ask themselves and be curious of what's going on. So since we are in Rome right now, I'm thinking about my first ever school of music. It's in Trastevere, it's called Timba. And I spent there like 2-3 years study, so that's on my memory right now. I'm coming from south of Italy, Puglia. This land have a huge popular tradition of music, especially with the tamburo. The drums is my own instrument, so always I've been so inspired about that. The things I love most is about the way they celebrate the roots, where we're coming from, and you can feel it from the music. And we are really proud of it. Of course, yes, is ritmo. This is Gabriele Poso. My playlist for the Social Hub Italy is online. Check it out.